The following matchup is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, the freak of nature, Nature! And introducing his opponent, making his debut, he is known as Tyler, the Nightmare, Wolford. Are the contenders ready? Nature ready. Looks like a yes to me. Nightmare ready. Sounds good. Ding ding ding. Oh, Nightmare throwing Nature into the tree. Tyler's got the leg of Nature now. What's he going for? Working on that leg. Flipping him into a half Boston crab. Do you give, Nature? Take that as a no. As he works his way out of the pin. Submission now, he's got a pin of his own. One. Kick out at one. Now they go for a lockup. Nature's got that arm. Kicks him in the chest. Back of the leg. Back of the leg again. Follows him up with more kicks. Takes him down. Stomps on him. Now he's stomping on that left arm. Uh-oh, what's he going for here? And he smashes that arm with his legs into the ground. Arm smash was so big, knocked the bandana right off of Nightmare. Nightmare with an arm wrench of his own. Head right off the knee of Tyler, the Nightmare, Wolford. Knee to the back, lower back area. He's got his head, what's he gonna do? Oh, Nature with punches to the gut. We're now reaching the 4-minute mark of this match. What's Nature gonna do? He's gonna try to pick him up or something. I don't think, oh, Nature's got to look at the strength of Nature. As best he could. We got a pin. 1, 2, kick out at 2. What a punch by Tyler. And a bulldog by the Nightmare. Nature rolls over and just lands right on his face.
The Nightmare has come.
I think the Nightmare has come. What's he going for here? Oh, and there it is. Oh, wait, no. What's he going for? Oh, it's got him in an anaconda vice. Do you give? Does he give? He's trying to fight out of it. I think he doesn't give. No, he gets out of it. Breaks his forehead with the bottom of his foot. Now Nightmare working on that leg again. That leg's got to be killing Nature by now.
Done.
Oh, he's done. He's going for. Oh! Here's the pin. 1, 2, 3. It's over. Hold on, hold on. You right there. What do you call that move?
Soul sucking side effect.
Soul sucking side effect wins the match. Nature is out. Here's your winner, ladies and gentlemen, Tyler, the Nightmare Wolford.